Intro. Did you know that over 60% of students struggle math at some point in their? If you are one of them, you're not alone. Math can feel like a mountain to climb, but it doesn't have to be that way. Imagine discovering a way to learn math that feels easy and even enjoyable. In this video, we're going to explore effective strategies and tips to help learn mathematics easily. Understanding math is important not just for school but for everyday life and many careers. So let's dive right in. Main content first, let's talk about the mindset. Approaching math with a positive attitude can make a big difference. Instead of thinking of math as a daunting challenge, view it as a puzzle waiting to be solved. Next, let's find the right resources. Look for online platforms like Khan Academy, YouTube tutorial channels, or math apps that teach in an engaging way. These resources break down complex topics into manageable bits. Now, onto our favorite tip: practice makes perfect. Set aside a bit of time each day to work on math problems. Start with simple tasks before moving on to more complex problems. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Every error is an opportunity to learn. Another effective strategy is to use real-life examples. Instead of just focusing on abstract numbers, try to relate math to things you enjoy. For example, if you love cooking, practice fractions while following recipes. Or if sports are your thing, track your favorite team's statistics. This makes math more relevant and less intimidating. Next, let's talk about study groups. Working with friends can make learning fun and less stressful. You can teach each other different concepts and explain things in a way that's easy to understand. Don't hesitate to ask for help when you're stuck. Reach out to your teachers, older students, or even use online forums for extra support. Now, here's a tip I find really useful: visualize the problems. Using drawings or diagrams can help you understand concepts better. For example, when learning geometry, sketch shapes and label their dimensions to see how they relate to each other. And speaking of relationships, understanding the connections between different math concepts is vital. Explore how algebra connects to geometry, or how statistics might link to probability. This holistic approach can deepen your understanding. Let's not forget about the power of routines. Set specific times for math study sessions. Having a routine can help build consistency, and over time, the material will start to stick. Also, try to vary the types of problems you tackle to keep it fresh and interesting. Incorporate games or interactive tools to make learning less of a chore. Consider apps or websites that turn math problems into challenges or fun games. This way, it's not just about numbers, it's about enjoying the process. Next, let's address one of the most important parts: self-testing. After learning a new concept, quiz yourself without looking at the notes. This will help reinforce what you learned and highlight any areas you need to revisit. Feeling stuck on anything specifically? Break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. For example, if you're struggling with a complex equation, get comfortable with each individual step before combining them. At this point, think about how you can relate your learning to your future aspirations. Whether it's a career in engineering, finance, or simply improving everyday skills, knowing why you're learning math can boost your motivation. And don't forget about celebrating your progress. After mastering a topic, reward yourself. This can be anything from a small treat to a fun outing with friends. Finally, keep a math journal. Reflecting on what you've learned and what challenges you faced can enhance retention. Journaling can also reveal how far you've come, which is a great confidence booster. Outro. Now that you have a toolkit of strategies to make learning mathematics easy, it's time to get started. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with anyone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content that makes learning enjoyable. Remember, math is not just numbers, it's a skill you can master with the right approach and mindset. Happy learning!